Hello everyone, welcome to MOURYA Tutor YouTube channel. Today we will learn general method of multiplication which is known as criss-cross multiplication in Vedic maths, right? Till now you have used traditional method for the multiplication, but while using this criss-cross multiplication you will get answer in the single line only. And if you will use traditional method, then we have to do multiply every digit of multiplier with every digit of multiplicand, and after that you have to do some additions also, right? Like you will get some numbers after the multiplication of every digit, then you have to do some addition also. At the end you will get answer, right? This will become your answer. But using the criss-cross method, you don't have to write these lines. You can get answer. We will get this final answer in the single way. Not only we will get single in the single line, but also this method will start getting answer in the initial steps only. So that will become very much helpful for the students in the competitive exams, because let's suppose there is 4 answers in the MCQ, and after at the end of numerical you have to multiply two numbers. But if you will use criss-cross method, then you will start getting answer in the initial steps, right? And you can see if one of the answer is matching with your initial steps, then you can just opt that answer. You don't have to evaluate entire answer. Like that it will be very much helpful. And also your if doesn't match, then the entire answer you will get in the very fast way. You don't have to write so much lines and do the addition like that, right? Well, let's understand with examples. Okay, now let's suppose we have to multiply 23 into 12 using the traditional method. How will you do? You will do like that. First you will multiply 2 with 3, 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 2, 4. Then you will multiply 1 with 3, it will be 3, 1 into 2, 2. Now you will do additional. Now like that you will get answer. But here what we will do here, we will multiply 2 with 3, 6. Now in the next digit, how we will get this next digit? You just need to multiply crosswise and do the addition also after multiplying. 2 into 2, 4, 1 into 3, 3. So 4 plus 3, 7. You got this digit. Now at the this last digit, how we will get? You just need to multiply this 2 with 1. So you will get 2. This is your answer. And you can see we got answer in the initial in the single steps only. First we got 6, then we got 7, then we got 2. Means we are start getting answers in the initial steps only, right? Now let's understand one more example, then we will draw some patterns for this multiplication. All right, now do the multiplication using Vedic maths. 5 into 1, 5. Do the crosswise. 5 into 3, 15. 2 into 1, 2. 15 plus 2, 17. Now we will not write 17. 1 will be the carry in the next step. So what is the next step? We have to multiply 3 into 2, 6, and do the addition of carry also. So 6 plus 1, 7. This is your answer, right? Now let's pick some patterns here, what we have done till now. Now let's suppose what we have done till now, 2-digit number given to you, and you need to use the Vedic maths here. So in the first step you need to do multiplication between these two numbers. In the second step you need to do the multiplication the crosswise, and after doing multiplication you need to do addition also between the numbers after the multiplication. Just remember that. Now here in the last step you need to do multiplication between these numbers. And remember one thing also, if there is some carry, then we have to do addition in the next step, right? If there is any carry, then we have to do the addition in the next step. Okay, you need to remember this thing. Now you may ask, what if the number of digits is 3? Now let's understand that also with the examples. Now let's suppose you have 121 into 302. You need to do multiplication using Vedic math. So how will you do? 1 to 1 302, right? So what we have done earlier, multiply 2 with 1 to do the crosswise. 1 into 0 0, 2 into 2 4, so 4 plus 0 4 only. Now here also, yep. Here in this step what we need to do, we need to multiply the crosswise also. Just do multiplication 3 with 1 and 1 with 2 and 2 with 0, and do the addition also. So you will get 2 3, 2 plus 3 5, and this will be 0. We'll write 5, right? And now what we need to do, we need to multiply these two crosswise again between these two numbers, between these two series. You can say 6, and this will be 0, so 6 only, and after at the end you need to multiply these two numbers. So this is your answer, right? Let me take one more example, and you can also do with me to understand, and at the end we will find the patterns also. Four 1 2 9 0 3. Do the multiplication. 3 with 2 6. Do the crosswise. Now it will be 3 only. Again increase the crosswise multiplication. 40, this will be 12, and this will, and 9 into 2 18, so this is 0, so 30. 3 will be carry. Do the multiplication like that, and you will get only 9, and 9 plus 3 12. You will get 1 carry. Do the multiplication between these two numbers. 9 into 4 36, 36 plus 1 37, right? So this is your answer. This is the multiplication answer of these two numbers. Now let's find out the patterns also. So what we have done till now, we have 3 digits, right? So in the first step we did multiplication between these two numbers. In the second step we did the multiplication crosswise. You just need to increase one slider only also, like earlier we are here, then we increase the slider length, and we have to do the cross multiplication between these two numbers. The third step we have to increase the slider length one more and do the crosswise like that. And the fourth and fifth will be the mirror image of these two steps, right? What is that? If you will see in the mirror, then you will see the multiplication like that. Mirror image of this second step will be this, and mirror image of this will be this one, right? So like that you have to find out the patterns if the number of digits will increase. Let's suppose if the number of digit increased one more, let's draw the patterns, and okay, with the 4th digit. So what you can do here, in the first step you will do the multiplication between these two numbers. In the second step you will do the multiplication between these two numbers. In the third step you will do cross multiplication between these three numbers. Fourth you will do multiplication like that, crosswise. Okay, 5th and 6th and 7th will be the mirror image of these 3 steps, right? You will do 5th step like that, and don't forget the addition also after doing the multiplication, crosswise multiplication, right? This will be the mirror image of the second step. The last step will be like that, mirror image of first step. I think you got the concept. This crisscross system of multiplication, this will apply everywhere. This will apply everywhere, right? Now you may say, what if the number of digits are not the same between between two numbers? Now let's suppose one is given 23, one is given 101, like that. So can we apply the crisscross system here also? Yes, we can. You just need to write 0 before the 23 and do use the same method. Okay, like that you can do. Just practice some of the examples I will give at the end of this video, and you will find you will be very much confident if you will practice, right? And there is one another concepts also, base method of multiplication, where we will do the multiplication. There will be some condition, but it will be very much faster. That will be very much faster than this crisscross system of multiplication. If the base method of multiplication doesn't apply there, then you can just opt this method, right? Let's wind up this video here, and if you find this video helpful, then do subscribe and like and share among your friends. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Bye.